Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. This ribbon right here, so I'm going to make a small wreath bow, and this bow is actually it's a fall wreath bow, but it's made all from ribbon scraps. So it's a great way, this kind of bow is a great way to use your scraps. So now I'm going to fold this over. So now I'm just going to start. I've already cut my pieces and dovetailed the ends, just because I figure you guys don't want to watch me dovetail all these pieces. So now I'm just going to put all these in here, just putting the right side up. I'm building the back of my bow to the front. And I love these jutes. We do have them on our website that you can purchase. And it's just a really nice burlap ribbon. And we're just mixing and matching our fall colors. So this is a great bow that can go straight from Halloween to fall, or I guess Halloween is fall, but it works for Halloween and it works for fall. And now I'm just going to take my last piece and scrunch that in. Then I'm going to take this great little pick, and see, this is what I do instead of using a glue skillet. Just lay this down in here. And the website is bowdabra.com. And now I'm going to take my wire, and remember, the reason I folded the wire in half is to just pull it through my slip knot and pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. And just so you know, on bowdabra.com/blog, we have a Bowdabra blog. And every week on the Bowdabra blog, we have usually 3 to 4 new projects, and we also put the replay of the video on the blog on Sundays. So now I'm just going to tie a knot. This is what I love about the wire, because it's so strong. And now all I'm doing is just fluffing this out and just going from the back to the front, fluffing all this out. And this is a pretty amazing bow when you think that we made this all from scraps of ribbon. How cool is that? Is that like a great way? I know we all hoard our ribbon and our scraps. This is a great way to use your scraps. You can just mix and match. And after Halloween, after the fall, after the holidays, always go and buy picks, because you can use them all year round, different picks. It's a great wreath bow, or a gift for a hostess gift.